Today I'm making a red currant yogurt cake. For this we'll need red currants. And I'm definitely not stealing fruit from the neighbor's bushes that peek through the fence. That is something that is definitely not happening. Other ingredients are flour, yogurt, soy or coconut yogurt work great, sugar, juice and zest of 2 lemons, oil, soy milk, baking powder and salt. I'll start by melting the coconut oil. Now let's get to grips with the dough. Add flour, sugar and baking powder. Next, zest 2 lemons. Add the melted coconut oil. If you use vegetable oil that is liquid at room temperature, like say sunflower oil, of course you don't need to warm it up, because it'll be liquid already. This is my complicated way of saying I'm using coconut oil, but other types of oil work just as well. Right, where was I? Yes, add yogurt. And mix. Prepare a cake tin with oil and flour and spoon the dough in. Okay, at this point I realized that this dough turned out way too dry and I realized I forgot the soy milk. I prepared the soy milk, measured it out in a jar, set it down and then completely forgot about it. The recipe at the beginning is correct, just remember to put all the ingredients actually in the dough. Yeah, that's more like it. Now let's get the red currants involved. Rinse them in water to clean and put 2 or 3 aside for decoration later. For the rest of them, remove the stems and drop them in the dough. Doesn't that look nice? Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Take it out of the oven and let it cool to room temperature. Oh, delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?